How to download YouTube videos in 4K to gallery. Welcome to our video. If you're wondering how to download YouTube videos in 4K straight to your phone's gallery, here's the truth. You can't do it directly. There are converters and other tools online that promise to save videos into your gallery, but those come with a lot of risks, from annoying pop-ups to malware. The safest and official way is with YouTube Premium. Inside the YouTube app, you'll see a download button under Videos once you're subscribed. Tap it, choose the highest quality available, which now supports up to 4K resolution, and the video will be saved offline inside the YouTube app. You can access it anytime in your library or downloads tab, even without internet. While the file won't sit in your phone's gallery, this is the secure and reliable way to enjoy 4K videos offline. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.